Imagine this. It's a scorching summer day, and you're craving an ice-cold lemonade. You open your freezer, only to find a sad, empty ice tray staring back at you. Frustrating, right? Whether you're hosting a barbecue, chilling at home, or camping under the stars, running out of ice is a buzzkill. Enter this Electactic Ice Maker's countertop. 9 cubes in 6 minutes, portable ice maker machine with self-cleaning, 2 sizes of bullet ice, perfect for home kitchen, black. A game changer that ensures you're never without ice again. This sleek, portable ice maker churns out 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds of ice daily, making it a must-have for any kitchen, RV, or outdoor adventure. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this machine is a top contender for your ice-making needs, diving into its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Solving your ice-making woes. Let's face it, traditional ice trays are tedious, and store-bought ice bags are a hassle to lug home. The Electactic Countertop Ice Maker eliminates these pain points with lightning-fast ice production and unmatched convenience. No more waiting hours for ice to freeze or dealing with bulky bags that melt before you get home. This compact machine delivers fresh, bullet-shaped ice cubes in as little as 6 minutes, ensuring your drinks stay chilled whether you're hosting a party, whipping up cocktails, or cooling off after a long day. Its portability also makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or even camping trips, solving the problem of limited freezer space or lack of ice on the go. Why the Electactic Ice Maker stands out. After testing the Electactic Ice Maker in a busy home kitchen and during a weekend camping trip, I can confidently say it's a powerhouse of convenience and performance. Its sleek black design looks modern on any countertop, and its compact size ensures it doesn't hog space. But what truly sets this machine apart is its ability to deliver consistent, high-quality ice with minimal effort. Let's break down its standout features and how they elevate your ice-making experience. Key features and benefits. Lightning-fast ice production. Produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, with a daily output of up to 26 pounds. Perfect for parties, daily use, or emergencies when you need ice fast. This speed ensures you're always ready for impromptu gatherings or a quick refreshment. 2 ice cube sizes. Choose between small or large bullet-shaped ice cubes to suit your needs. Small cubes are ideal for quick-chilling sodas or smoothies, while larger ones are perfect for slow-melting cocktails or iced coffee. Self-cleaning function. Say goodbye to scrubbing. The built-in automatic cleaning cycle activates with a simple button press. Hold on/off for 5 seconds, keeping the machine free of mineral buildup and impurities. This ensures every batch of ice is fresh and clean, saving you time and effort. Portable and lightweight, weighing just 14 to 17 pounds, depending on the model, and equipped with a sturdy handle. This ice maker is easy to move from your kitchen to a patio, RV, or campsite. Its compact design fits seamlessly into small spaces, making it a versatile addition to any setup. User-friendly control panel. The intuitive control panel features clear, easy-to-read buttons for selecting ice size and monitoring the process. A transparent lid lets you check ice levels at a glance, while smart sensors stop production when the basket is full or water is low, preventing messes or overflows. Quiet operation. Operating at less than 45 dB, this ice maker runs as quietly as a working freezer, ensuring it won't disrupt your conversations or relaxation time. It's perfect for home, office, or even nighttime use. Energy-efficient design. Equipped with an R600A compressor, this machine is designed to save energy while delivering top-tier performance, keeping your electricity bills in check. Real-world performance. My experience. To put the Electactic Ice Maker to the test, I used it in 2 scenarios: a busy family barbecue and a weekend camping trip. During the barbecue, the machine was a lifesaver. With guests constantly grabbing drinks, the ice maker churned out batch after batch of bullet-shaped ice cubes without breaking a sweat. The small cubes were perfect for kids' sodas, while the larger ones kept adult beverages chilled for longer. The self-cleaning feature was a godsend. After a long day, I simply activated the cleaning cycle and let the machine do the work. On the camping trip, the portability shone through. I easily carried the machine to our campsite, where it fit perfectly on a small folding table. Using filtered water, It produced crisp, clean ice that elevated our campfire drinks. The bullet-shaped ice was a hit. Its smooth, hollow design made it easy to chew, a surprising crowd pleaser, and didn't stick together like traditional cubes. The only minor downside? The 1.2-liter water tank needed refilling after a few hours of heavy use, but this was a small price to pay for the convenience. Who's this ice maker for? The Electactic Countertop Ice Maker is perfect for home entertainers. If you love hosting parties, barbecues, or game nights, this machine ensures you never run out of ice, keeping your guests happy and drinks cold. Small space dwellers. Ideal for apartments, dorms, or tiny kitchens where freezer space is limited. Its compact footprint and portability make it a practical choice. Outdoor enthusiasts. Campers, RVers, and picnic goers will appreciate the lightweight design and ability to produce ice anywhere with a power source. Office or bar use. Great for small offices or home bars where a steady supply of ice is essential for daily operations or casual drinks. Ice chewers. The bullet-shaped ice is smooth, chewable, and gentle on teeth, making it a favorite for those who love snacking on ice. Pros and cons. Pros. Super fast ice production, 9 cubes in 6 minutes, 26 pounds daily. Easy-to-use control panel with smart sensor self-cleaning function saves time and ensures hygiene. Portable and lightweight for versatile use. Quiet operation ideal for any setting. 2 ice sizes for customized chilling. Cons. Water tank, 1.2 liters, requires frequent refills during heavy use. Bullet ice may melt slightly faster than solid cubes due to its hollow design. No built-in refrigeration, so ice will eventually melt in the basket, typical for countertop models. How it compares to competitors. Compared to other countertop ice makers like the Silent or Yuhami models, the Electactic holds its own with a balance of speed, portability, and ease of use. While some competitors, like the Yuhami Nugget Ice Maker, offer different ice types, Nugget versus Bullet, the Electactic's Bullet Ice is versatile and chewable, appealing to a wide audience. Its self-cleaning function and quiet operation, under 45 dB, match or surpass models like the Aglucky or Kissmile, and its price point is competitive for the features offered. For those prioritizing portability and simplicity, the Electactic is a top contender. Final verdict. Is it worth it? The Electactic Ice Maker's countertop, 26 lbs/24H, 9 cubes in 6 minutes, portable ice maker machine with self-cleaning, 2 sizes of bullet ice, perfect for home kitchen, black, is a stellar choice for anyone who values convenience, speed, and quality. Its ability to produce ice in just 6 minutes, coupled with its portability and self-cleaning feature, makes it a standout in the crowded ice maker market. While the water tank could be larger for heavy use, this minor drawback is easily outweighed by its performance and ease of use. Whether you're cooling drinks for a party, stocking your RV, or simply enjoying a chilled beverage at home, this ice maker delivers. Don't let another hot day pass without ice. Grab yours now and elevate your chilling game. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this ice maker yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.